The vitamin B12 in supplements, energy drinks, and processed food called cyanocobalamin is a dangerous synthetic ingredient. Cyanocobalamin is broken down in the body to cobalamin, which is vitamin B12, and cyanide. Cyanocobalamin is listed in the government's toxicity database as generally known or suspected to cause serious health problems, and it's also on the list of toxins that the EPA must regulate, set a standard for, and try to reduce or eliminate. Obviously, it's known that cyanide is a very lethal toxin, so what happens when we ingest cyanocobalamin? After ingestion, cyanide enters the bloodstream, and in very small amounts, cyanide can usually be changed into thiocyanate, which is mostly excreted by the kidney, with an approximate half-life for elimination of 2.7 days. However, continued exposure to cyanide can overwhelm the body and interfere with cellular respiration, resulting in the body's tissues being unable to receive oxygen. Cyanocobalamin is only used for vitamin B12 because of how cheap and inexpensive it is to make. Some argue that vitamin B12 from cyanocobalamin is more bioavailable in the body, however many studies and researchers have contradicted this. In a standard 1000 microgram tablet or capsule, there's around 20 micrograms of cyanide. This is a very small amount, but we know that cyanide can be lethal at doses as small as 100 milligrams. This vitamin B12 that's made by synthesizing bacteria is fortified in bread, almonds, soy, and oat milks, energy drinks like Celsius, Red Bull, and Monster, and cereal brands like Kellogg's and General Mills. Surprisingly, research papers dating back to 1952 show that wastewater from different industries is used to extract cyanocobalamin to enrich plant and animal feeds. So who's to say that some of the cyanocobalamin used in our food and supplements doesn't also come from wastewater? Even though there's only small amounts of cyanide and cyanocobalamin, there's no reason whatsoever to regularly consume this. You should aim to consume all of your vitamin B12 from meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. And if you're still deficient, try a methylcobalamin supplement instead.